If your Gemini or Google Assistant is completely deactivated on the Redmi A7 Pro, and now if you want to turn it on, all you have to do is first we need to go to the Gemini app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. Once you open the Gemini app, you can tap on the turn on button if you see it. And then you will see the Welcome to Gemini menu or information. So you want to scroll all the way down and to choose this button over here, Use Gemini. And then Gemini is going to be reactivated on your phone, and once again you can use it. And if you prefer to use Google Assistant instead, you can tap on the Google account in the upper right corner. Then scroll down a little bit in this menu and choose Switch to Google Assistant, where we can just switch to that older assistant and confirm our choice. Besides that, you might want to check if you have the power button shortcut to activate the Gemini or Google Assistant, of course, as long as you want to use it. So, in that case, you want to open Settings, scroll all the way down, and then go to Additional Settings. Over here, choose Gesture Shortcuts, then go to Launch Digital Assistant, and over here you can turn it on. And of course, you can tap on Start using Google Assistant. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.